Don't you want a nice budget-friendly Valentine's Day background to take beautiful photos with your family and friends? Yeah, I'm sure you do. So go ahead and check out this video. Okay, first you're gonna need these foam hearts. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. They were $1.25. I actually repurposed these. There's another video where I use these in a Valentine's Day edition of a cup flip tic-tac-toe. The game was awesome. Go check out that video as well. But for these, you're gonna go ahead and put some double-sided tape on the back of the hearts. Use as many as you like. I only purchased one pack, and in one pack comes 12 hearts. And this is what I used as my backdrop for my first DIY Valentine's Day background. And once you have them all taped and ready to go, then you can begin placing them wherever you like them. I had this blank wall in my house, so I just went ahead and used that. And go ahead and put them in any kind of pattern that you like. I suggest spreading them out so you can get nice, big, wide shots. Okay, y'all, listen, if you're liking this so far, or if you think this is a pretty good idea, please be sure to like and subscribe. Share this with your family and friends. I'm sure you know a friend or two that can benefit from this idea. All right, so spread the love. All pun intended. Okay, so my baby is going to be our model for today. So here is the fun part. You get you some nice shots in, and you can take a look at how nice these came out. I think a second pack of foam hearts would have been nice. Apparently my model got tired here. But your first DIY Valentine's background is done. $1.25 for the roses, another $1.25 for the foam hearts, and you got yourself a background. Now on to the second. So this is actually a tablecloth, also from Dollar Tree for $1.25. This tablecloth has hearts all over it, but if you wanted to go with a different color or a different theme, you can just grab one of their solid colored tablecloths. Okay, so I folded this on with the outside on top because in order to make my heart, I used a Sharpie just so that my lines were a little more crisp than me trying to freehand it with the scissors. So you'll see what I'm going to do is draw a half of a heart, and then I'm going to cut it out with the scissors. And once I unfold the tablecloth, then you should have a whole heart. Now, you don't have to be the most artistic person to get this done, because believe me, I am probably the least artistic in my house. But I felt like this was pretty simple to do. And then you're just going to take your scissors and cut along that line. It doesn't have to be perfect because I wasn't quite on the line. It seemed like the tablecloth kind of kept getting smushed together, so you'll notice that I kind of kept adjusting it so that I can pull it tight to get that cut nice and crisp. But even still, this wasn't very difficult. You know, just follow the line as best as you can, and then you should have yourself a nice full heart once you unfold everything. And voila, your heart is done, and now it's ready for tape. So you can use the same double-sided tape that you used to get the foam hearts up on the wall, or use whatever kind of tape you have on hand. Some rolled up Scotch tape or some packing shipping tape will work as well. You see here at the end, I ran out of my dollar store double-sided tape, so I did have to use some packing tape. And then you're going to get it on the wall. So let's do this one side at a time because you want the heart stretched out as best as possible, and you want it to lay flat against the wall so you have the best look. Get that heart nice and smooth, and then you're ready for pictures. I'm going to bring my model back in and take some lovely pictures of my daughter. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video and these ideas. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try them out. Please like and subscribe to this for more ideas. See you guys next time. Happy Valentine's Day.